guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be reacting to another video, and this is the first time I'm gonna see the video, so I really don't have clue what is this. So without further ado, we will be reacting to which color Shinkansen do you like? I'll introduce 6 types of bullet train Japan vlog. So without further ado, we will start. It looks like this is very interesting for me, so let's go. Let's start. October, Tokyo Station. Looks like the day there is very nice. The beautiful sky, the building. So let's continue. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce colorful Shinkansen. In this video, I'll introduce 5 types of Shinkansen. So let's check it out. Tokyo Station is also very beautiful. So yeah, it's very nice. You see the ceiling. It's very nice. It's beautiful. And I love the color of this one. Let's use this machine to buy tickets.
Welcome. Please select a ticket.
I bought an admission ticket for 2. You can enter Shinkansen platform with QRs also. So after you buy the ticket, so you have to wait. Okay. But the station is very clean. I see. It's very clean. First of all, I'd like to go to the tracks 20 and 21. This information board will display departure information. It's like in the plane. There is an information board too. So, wow, that is very interesting. The green Shinkansen is approaching. It's coming. This is A5 Series Shinkansen. Oh, it's very nice. I love the color and it looks very new. It's very shiny. It has been used since 2011. Oh my god. It's used since 2011. So how many years already? And it looks very, for me it's like very new, very shiny. In very good shape. Like new. And also this is the fastest Shinkansen. Oh my god, 320. It's very fast. I'd like to introduce the Shinkansen in another video. E5 Series Shinkansen has arrived again, which is different from before one. Look, the red Shinkansen is called to E5 series. Oh, it's beautiful. It's very nice. It's very shiny. Yeah, it's E5 series. I think it's very similar to the E5 series. They looks very similar, but it's like different color. Here is a train copper. The train is little smaller than the body is white and has a cute appearance. Yeah, it's very nice. Nickname Komachi. Komachi is originated from person in Japan history. Wow. So they get the name of the train from the history, so it's very interesting. Bye-bye E6 and E5 Series Shinkansen. I was able to see two kinds of Shinkansen. Next, let's go to the track 22 and 23. The train station is very clean. Let's go to the track 23. Just like track 21, 20 and 21, there is an information board. The purple Shinkansen is up.
6, 1,
It has beautiful color. Yeah. Yeah, it's very nice. I love the color. The combination of the color is very beautiful. This is the A3 Series Shinkansen. It's little smaller, just like the A6 series. It's mainly operated as Yamagata Shinkansen. Nickname is Tsubasa or Nasuno. What is that? What is the nickname? I wanna read it again. Nasuno. Tsubasa, the nickname. And Nasuno, okay. Can you hear the sound of the bell? Because the what do you call that, the bell, it's very familiar for me because I was in Singapore before, and they got something like that. When the train is leaving, you can hear this like bell. So I just share what I experienced before. So anyway, we will continue, but it's very nice. The Shinkansen connecting behind is in. The patient has arrived, and the other side There's a gold and blue line. Wow, it's very nice. Looks very new too, very shiny. This is the logo. New waist. Yeah, looks very new for me. There's a fence between the trucks. Aha, yeah. I see it. Because the other side of it is different company. Aha. Ah, so that's why there is a fence, because it's different company, okay? That makes sense. All this history in Japan. This is N700A series. You can go to Osaka. Oh! I like that the Untitled Chapter is the best. Which color do you like the best? I'm waiting for your comment section. That's all for today's video. At first, I really love this green, something like a green and red. They are beautiful, but it's they got a lot of different types, so all of them are beautiful. And for me, it's like everything is new. It's still very shiny. It's beautiful. Yeah, like and subscribe for more videos like this one. So that is the end. So it's very interesting for me. So now I know they got many kinds, different colors, and they are beautiful. They looks very new. So it's good to see something like this. So it's very nice. So that is my reaction for this video. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments and suggestions, just comment down below. I'm reading all your comments. So that's all for now. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.